Good morning, this is Joe Peterson with MarineMax at Clearwater. We're here today to show you our stock number 148894. It is a 2015 Key West 239 FDS. This is a all freshwater kept boat up at Lake Tarpon. Has 50 hours on the Yamaha 250 4-stroke. This boat is in excellent condition. You see the trim tabs off the back end, transducer, 3-step telescopic boarding ladder. Also on the transom you'll see a very well done, high quality ski tow bar for the kids and family activity for water skiing. Freshwater shower before you board the boat. Nice walk-through gate. Stepping into the cockpit, you see the beige seafoam deck area. Very soft on the feet. The upholstery is all in excellent shape. We do have cushions for the full back end. Centerpiece will be where your circulating bait well is at, blue background. 2 rear speakers for the Gentian stereo system. To the port side you'll have the fold down sleeper seat. Off to the starboard side behind the captain's chair, freshwater sink. In-floor storage for skis and wakeboards. And you do have a head compartment that has never been used. So it is a porta potty. You do have rod storage where you can lock up. On the console you have your Lowrance combo GPS sonar fish finder. There's your Jensen remote stereo controls. Looking to the bow of the boat, you do have a full platform with cushions all the way across, or you can use it the way we have it set up right now as a casting platform. Storage underneath the port and starboard side. Ankle locker up front. 2 more speakers. Nice big bimini top for the boat, stainless steel. Right now it's in its radar arch boot position, but as you can see this boat looks like new. Very low hours on it. This will make somebody a very good boat to have a lot of fun with for just about everything. As you can see, it fishes as well as it does cruise. Call Joe Peterson at MarineMax at Clearwater to sea test this boat. It won't last long. Number is 727-536-2628. Thank you.